Hi, very quick intro. As I'm going to explain in the video, I recorded the whole making of a keema curry and then I lost everything when I tried to export it to the computer. So all I was able to do was record the curry when I was rehashing it the second night, and that's all we got. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is that last night I was using the Not Jordan Peterson website to make some what I hope were amusing deepfake recordings using Jordan Peterson's voice. And I went on there today to try and record some more, to try and record one that was tailored to this video, something about the curry, I suppose. And it's been switched off. Jordan Peterson deepfake voice simulator taken offline after Peterson suggests legal action. Anyway, I made about 3 of them last night, and I've included one at the end of the video. So it's only about 2 or 3 minute video. So if you got a chance to watch to the end, you can hear. Hey, it's Toby here. I hope you're well. Over the last couple of days, I've been filming a vlog about how to make this lovely Birmingham style mincemeat keema curry with shan spice mix, and it's got all sorts of fresh ingredients in it. We had half of it last night, and then today I went to Pack Supermarket and I bought some bullet chilies, and as you can see I've also cooked a bit of rice in with it today to pad it out. I've been because of the way I've been plugging my SD card into an external card reader, I've actually got to the point now where about 1 in 3 of my vlogs, if I copy it from the camera, doesn't make it onto the computer and the SD card needs to be reformatted. So I've changed my approach, and I've now just got I'm using one of the slots on the computer, and I've just got a cable dangling off that, and I'm just going to plug my camera in every time. And if it's slow to copy, it really doesn't matter, I can do it in the background, but I definitely can't carry on doing what I'm doing. So I had a lovely vlog telling you all about how to make this this curry, and it's gone. So I'll make it again and I'll make the video again, but it's gone. I just wanted to show you, this is the box of spices that I'm using, keema spices. I might make some poppadoms tonight. Here are the poppadoms in the most random packet, and here are, we're going to have parathas with this as well, and rice. So it's all a bit indulgent, but it's curry night and we're in the Balti capital of the world. Here it is, keema curry. If you're interested in seeing how this curry is made, please like, subscribe, ding the bell, comment below, and share. Thanks a lot. Bye.
I'm a massive fan of Toby Langford's YouTube channel. No lobsters were harmed in the making of this video.